Welcome back, Cole creators. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this black on black vinyl embroidery t-shirt. It all starts with ensuring you have the right digitized file. You can find someone to digitize your graphics, or you can create it yourself, like I did. I first started by stitching on the glitter vinyl because that was going to be my background. Once the outline was done, it's time to rip away the excess vinyl that you don't need. Some people do this at the end, but I like to clean it up as I go. Ooh, look how sparkly it is. Now it's time for the next layer of vinyl. I went with a matte black because I didn't want it to be too shiny. I like contrasting textures. After the machine finished stitching down the design, next it's time to rip off the excess vinyl. As you can see, it's all starting to come together. Look how cool that looks. Now it's time to press the vinyl onto the shirt. To my surprise, I actually grabbed the puff vinyl instead of the matte black, but it still came out looking great. This is what I call a happy accident. Look how nice it looks. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching.
Co-creation.